I always that for a waterfall. Look at this haze over here. Amazing, insane. What's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to one of my favorite waterfalls in Bali. I've been there already maybe like 7 or 8 times. So I definitely know the way. But first let's get coffee because it's 7 AM and I'm also hungry. So let's go first to my favorite place to get coffee in Bali, Copenhagen. We have made it to Nung Nung after 45 minutes, 50 minutes from Canggu. And there's no one here.
What's up?
No one here, not even Madja. She's my favorite shop owner here. And now we're gonna walk down to the waterfall. It's about 10-15 minutes walk down. It's pretty easy to go down. It's not as easy to go back up, as I said. I've been here a few times and there was no entry fees this time because there's no one here. But I believe we have to pay later. It's usually 25k, I think. So yeah, this time I also remember to turn on the microphone so you can hear me. Let's walk down here. This is how steep the stairs are. And the worst part is that they're really like uneven, very uneven. So one would be like this high, one would be that high. And right now, I don't think no one was here in a while. So they're very slippery. They're very slippery. And yeah, it's kind of easy to go down, even though they're pretty slippery. It's not as easy as to come back up, as you will see later. But yeah, my legs are already shaking and we're almost there. I can see the bridge, so yeah, we made it. Pretty easy to go down, as I said. Woo! Almost fell. Yeah, I'll run some more b-roll and I'll see you guys at the waterfall. I always that for a waterfall. Look at this haze over here. Amazing, insane. It's probably one of the best conditions I've seen this water so far. And yeah, haze everywhere. It's pumping. Look how much water is coming down. So much water. Little thing, usually right here, there's like a little bridge over there. But obviously there's no bridge anymore, so we can't go to the other side, which is the usual way you would cross and then go on the other side and get a classic shot of Nung Nung. But you can still go on to this way and get very wet and go to that side. But let's see if we're gonna go there. But now we're just gonna take some photos and enjoy the view. So yeah, welcome to Nung Nung. Guys, how sick is this waterfall? It's by far my favorite in Bali. And just look at it. Look at it. We're here by ourselves, just us. It's about 8:30, 9 in the morning. So if you want to come by yourself, just come around this time. And yeah, like the way down is pretty easy. The way up, not so much. And that's about it. You got so many cool photos. Let me show you what some of my photos are for this specific time. But every single time I came here, I got so many good photos. So it's kind of always the same photo you're gonna end up getting because there's not many angles that you can get, but I mean, you can get creative with it. Yeah, these are my favorite shots of the day. Pretty intense to go up. Definitely worth it. 100% worth it. Nung Nung, very worthwhile in Bali. Period. Woo. Alright, let's do this. You can do this, Zach.
We got this.
Woo. Find a stretch. Sweaty, can't wait for a coconut. Last stretch. Let's do this. Let's do this.
Let's go.
Let's go to run. I'm dead. I'm dead.